Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator 100 power 7 minus 10,000 power 3. 100 is 10 power 2, this is power 7, minus this is 10 power 4, power 3. So, here you have a power n times n, this equals a power n power n. So this is 10 power 2 times 7, 14, minus 10 power 12. So 14 is 12 plus 2, this is 10 power 2 plus 12, which is the same thing as 14, minus 10 power 12. You have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So this is 10 power 2 times 10 power 12 minus 10 power 12. We factor out 10 power 12. 10 power 12 times this divides 10 power 12, that is 10 power 2, minus this divides 10 power 12, that is 1. So from here, we have 10 power 12 times this is 100 minus 1. So this will give us 10 power 12 times 99. So this is just like writing 99 times 10 power 12. Or we can express this in standard form, that is 9.9 times 10 power 1 times 10 power 12. So what you need to do is just take 1 decimal point backward, then you raise it to the prop 1. Now, if you have a power n times a power n equals a power n plus n. So this equals 9.9 times 10 power 1 plus 12. So this 9.9 times 10 power 13. Or you can simply express it as this is 9.9 times 10 power 13 equals 99, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is the same thing as 9.9 times 10 power 13. So that is it, guys.